Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Impact.com account verification for USA publishers, complete guide step by step clearly. To verify your Impact.com account as a USA publisher, start by logging into your Impact account. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Settings section. Look for the Verification tab within the Settings menu. Click on the Start Verification Process button. You will be prompted to enter your business information. Fill in your legal business name, address, and contact details. Next, upload the necessary documents required for verification. These typically include a government-issued ID, a tax identification number, and proof of address. Ensure all documents are clear and legible to avoid delays. After uploading, review your information for accuracy. Once you've confirmed everything is correct, click on the Submit for Review button. Your application will be sent to Impact's verification team for processing. This review process may take a few business days. You will receive a notification via email once your verification is complete. If additional information is needed, check your email for further instructions. Upon successful verification, you can access enhanced features on your Impact account. Keep your account information updated to maintain your verification status. Regularly check your email for any updates or changes regarding your verification. Reach out to Impact support if you encounter any issues during the verification process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth verification experience on Impact.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.